Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today inaugurated the shared school bus system and unveiled the prime tourism vehicles and prime agriculture response vehicles under the Sustainable Transport and Efficient Mobility Society STEMS initiative at the premises of State Central Library here. The Chief Minister also boarded a bus along with ex-MLA Mohendra Rapsang.
No Man's Adventure and Halatindra Eco.
So these kind of are all in the pipeline. So obviously STEMS is one part of that, but it is a major part, and I'm happy to see that it has taken off well. A lot of planning and effort has gone into it. It has been designed very much tailor-made to the needs of Shillong City and to the needs of the stakeholders. So therefore, we expect that this program will run successfully because the planning was done in a very, very detailed manner. And there's a very, very strong team that is behind this, working on it.
And a quick look at the weather report. The maximum temperature